tractor riding buddy, aren't you?
What do you think?
What'd you do that for?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, hello, welcome. My name is Grayce. I'm a farmer, photographer, welder, and now a YouTuber, I guess. And today we're shelling corn. So I'm gonna get the Mac started for my dad so that when he gets here, he can leave. Until he gets back with this, I'm pretty much full. I'm gonna go make a couple rounds. And yeah, I won't be able to do much until he gets back, so. Hey guys, it is Wednesday. So yesterday I had started this video and we ended up not doing anything yesterday. Currently waiting on a grain cart. So we'll just sit here and wait. What was I saying? Oh yeah, my dad had somewhere to go. All the trucks were full. So, we just didn't do anything yesterday afternoon after I got off work. It was my friend's birthday yesterday, so I went over to her house. Alright, we're gonna pick off these end rows. I can't really see, but that's okay. This freaking fly is about to catch his hands. Back to business. You know, this is much fun. I can't see anything. So we're just gonna hope for the best. I don't know what that noise was. What in the world is going on here? Oh, I'm at the end. Cool. I like that. So this right here is about to I'm running over corn. Dad, sorry. Well, the sun is making it hot in my eyeballs. I can't see. Nicely done, Grayce. Nicely. Okay, so anyway, back to my little life update real quick. New t-shirts are in the store now. If you follow me on Instagram, you might already know this. If not, now you know. You have to go check them out. They're the coolest shirts I've ever come out with. FarmerGrayce.com. They are support the troops and support the farmers t-shirts. They look freaking sweet. So, basically what I'm saying is, if you love the military and if you love the farmers, you need one. So, real quick, I'll show you this shirt. I don't know if you can see it because it's kind of hard to see in this light. If I like... So it says "Feed the Fight" on top. It's got an American flag, and then it's got my signature on it. And I'll try and show you guys the back. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. So this is one of them. It's a circle. It's got the American flag. It's got a tractor, and then it's got an Army helicopter, I'm pretty sure. And on the top it says "Support the Troops," and on the bottom it says "Support the Farmers." It is totally awesome. And then the other one, it's got the same thing on the front, the "Feed the Fight" and the logo and all that. And then the back, it's an American flag and it says, "I feed, you fight." Isn't that so cool? I love it! And yeah, so these are the shirts. I'm telling you, you want one. Here we go. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is cutting a pass up the, what is somewhat the middle. Yeah, this isn't really the middle, but it's alright. That way we can load on the go. Please shut up. Okay. So I've been trying to get my little sister to come out here and ride with me because I want to do another combine karaoke video. If you haven't watched that, please go watch it. You guys love when I bring my sister because she is hilarious. I know. And I just like hanging out with her. We have fun together. So I think I want to do combine karaoke with her. I want to teach her to drive the combine. Again, I think she's already done it before. So I think I'm gonna try and get her to come out. We'll see if she does. We got full cart, full combine, and no truck. While I sit here and wait, I want to go see my hider. Hi, sweetheart. Look at your little tail just going crazy. Tell Papa Dan to hurry up so that we can pick corn. So I just somewhat opened up this field right here. I'm about to go fill up with fuel, and then I'm gonna go open up another field, and I'll be waiting on a truck again. Well, that surely was not planned. So I just fell out of the brackets and fell off. Well, there's no bracket here. Okay, so it is 9 o'clock. Dad wanted to take it for a ride, so Dad's out there making a round right now. I'm just hanging out here with Hyde. I got hot, so I took my hoodie off. Me and Hyde are just hanging out because I haven't seen Hyde all day. I had a snout fall off. That wasn't a big deal. We just put it back on, but one of the brackets came loose and the snout just came right off. And yeah, we're almost done for the night, I think. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and this time there really will be a surprise in the next clip.
Riding buddy, aren't you?
What do you think?
What'd you do that for?
Surprise! I have pink hair. I'm just gonna fill this combine real quick, and I'm gonna go grab some pizza before I do anything, however. I gotta sneeze. I'm gonna check the hydraulic oil because I just got an alert that says it's low, so we're gonna go check it real quick. Alright, I love my hair. I did it by myself at like 1 o'clock this morning, so there's a few missed spots, which I expected, but for doing it by myself, not bad. It's Friday. Today's my first day self-employed. I was going to do a little photo shoot this morning with my new shirts, but my photographer overslept, which is cool, but she's on her way, which we just got started anyway, so it's fine. She's on her way. Then I'm going to go grab some pizza, and yeah, I was going to do a first day of self-employment, like a video, you know, like a vlog kind of, but I'm pretty much going to be doing this all day, so I'm just going to integrate it into my weekly vlog. Oh, my nose is so itchy. Oh my god! My nose is itching! Alright, we're just going to park it right here. My dad left with a load just a few minutes ago, I think. I don't see his truck over there. And I'm gonna go and get pizza. Waiting on a grain cart. Gotta keep this clean so I don't start any fires. And a Gatorade. Let's get it. We're done for the day. I am gonna close my bin up there and then take it inside because it's supposed to rain tomorrow. So I'm gonna cut this video off. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out all my other social media accounts linked down below and my merch at farmergrayce.com. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!